Wait, what if you are in the USA? A construction worker asks you a question, and you suddenly forget all your English? Don't worry. Today, we will fix this fear together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Anna, and this channel is for simple, real-life English. Today's topic is very useful, very practical, and very real. Talking to a construction worker in the USA, simple English. Yes. Maybe you are living in the USA. Maybe you will go there in the future. Or maybe you just want to improve your daily English. In the USA, you often see construction workers. They build houses. They fix roads. They repair buildings. And sometimes, you need to talk to them. But many people feel shy. Many people feel scared. They think, my English is not good. What if I make a mistake? If this is you, this video is for you. Today, I will speak slowly. I will use very simple English. We will practice real sentences. And I promise, by the end of this video, you will feel more confident. Let's start. First, let's understand something very basic. Who is a construction worker? A construction worker is a person who builds houses, fixes buildings, works on roads, repairs walls, roofs, and floors. In the USA, construction workers are everywhere. You see them near homes. You see them near offices. You see them on the street. They usually wear a hard hat, work clothes, boots. They are normal people, friendly people, hardworking people. They are not scary. They are just people like us. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought, I know English, but I can't speak? Yes or no? Many learners feel this. You understand English. You watch videos. But when it's time to speak, your mind becomes empty. This is very normal. Today, remember one thing. You do not need perfect English. You only need simple words, clear voice, friendly tone. That's it. Now, let's start with the first step. Step 1 is always greeting. In the USA, greetings are very simple. You can say, hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon. That's enough. Example. You see a construction worker near your house. You want to ask something. You say, hi, hello. Simple, easy. You don't need long sentences. Just be polite. To start talking, say hi or hello. Now comes the important part, asking questions. Let's say you want to know what work they are doing. You can say, what are you working on? Again, what are you working on? Very common, very simple. Or you can say, what is this work? That's it. No big words. No fear. Real life feeling. Imagine this scene. You are standing outside your home. You see noise. You see tools. You feel curious. You walk slowly. You smile. You say, what are you working on? Yes, that's real English. Now, let's talk about time. Many people want to ask, how long will this work take? Simple sentence. How long will it take? Again, how long will it take? You can also say, when will you finish? Very easy. Americans use these sentences every day to ask about time. How long will it take? When will you finish? Now, let's be honest. Construction work is noisy. Sometimes you want to sleep. Sometimes you want peace. So what can you say? You can say, how long will the noise be? Or, will it be noisy all day? Simple, polite. Remember, say it calmly. Say it nicely. Tone is important. Safety is very important. Let's say you have kids, or you feel worried. You can ask, is it safe here? Again, is it safe here? Or, can I walk here? Very simple. No grammar thinking. Just speak. This part is very important. Sometimes the worker speaks fast. Sometimes you don't understand. It's okay. Never say, I am bad at English. Instead, say,
Sorry.
Can you say that again? Please speak slowly. These sentences are your best friends. Repeat with me. Please speak slowly. Can you say that again?
Perfect.
In the USA, small talk is common. You don't need deep talk.
Just simple talk.
You can say, busy day, long day,
Or,
weather is hot today. Yes, weather talk works everywhere. This makes you sound friendly. Always end politely. You can say, thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Simple ending. People remember polite people. Let's quickly recap. To talk to a construction worker in the USA, say hi/hello. Ask simple questions. Speak slowly. Don't fear mistakes. Be polite. That's it.
no magic.
Just practice. Let me tell you something. Making mistakes is normal. If you say something wrong, it's okay. Construction workers are used to different accents, broken English, simple English. They don't judge. So relax. Your fear is bigger than the problem. Now let's practice together. Please repeat after me.
Hi.
What are you working on? How long will it take? Thank you. Have a good day. Very good. Even if you are alone, speak aloud. This builds confidence. I want to say something from my heart. Learning English is not easy. Speaking English is scary. But remember, you are brave. Every time you try, you improve. Every small sentence matters. You are not late. You are learning. So today, we learned how to talk to a construction worker in the USA using simple English. You don't need big words. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need confidence and practice. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments, which sentence did you like the most? I am very proud of you for learning English.
Keep going. Keep speaking.
See you in the next video.
Take care. Goodbye.